All right, welcome everybody. Wow, we are on marathon today for downloads. We're downloading some kingdom systems that as iron sharpens iron, so one woman sharpens another. Proverbs 27:17. This is not just coaching, this is co-laboring. A spirit-built system where healing becomes strategy and joy becomes power. Here are 5 foundational pillars in the JoyCHI360 legacy system, each one designed to unlock flow, sharpen vision, and unleash joy. So 1, rejuvenation and alignment. So healing that restores rhythm. And this is the joy key here is stillness births clarity. So focus, nervous system safety, identity reconnection, Sabbath patterns, unlocks, rested decision clarity without striving, soul remembrance. So when you align, you no longer chase, you attract them, overflow. So this is the central hub that I wanted you to be at, where you can manifest whatever you can think, feel, or imagine. It will definitely be fulfilled. So when you are aligned, you are no longer chasing, you're attracting from overflow. And guess what? Floodgate of abundance, just like what Jesus promised in John 10:10, the Zoe life. 2 is wealth and wellness integration. This is when living abundantly in spirit, body, and bank. So what I do in my office is when I meet our clients, I usually have to make sure that there's a baseline data in the level of commitment, and also they are truly sincerely needing it, because we cannot provide a system and or GPS if there is no willingness to take action, because we are activating. So activation, so it's an active action. So focus on prosperity without pressure, soul-led pricing, nervous system wealth unlocks, overflow income, embodied authority, and integrated peace. So you don't have to choose between impact and intimacy with yourself. And thirdly is business flow and automation. So this is the systems that serve the spirit. Joy key for this is structure creates sanctuary. So we focus on our soul safe automation, offer refinement, workflow peace, unlocks more time, clear operations, and joyful scaling. So systems should protect your purpose, not suffocate your peace. And fourthly is impact and expansion. So this is when we have the presence that echoes beyond platform. So joy key for this is your voice is a vessel. So we focus on visibility with integrity, strategic partnerships, legacy building, unlocks platform confidence, prophetic clarity, global reach. So you don't need to go viral to go vital. And the fifth one is the covenant collaboration. This is when iron sharpens iron. So basically this is like a accountability partnership, because we are building together with heaven and each other. So joy key for this is partnerships is prophetic. So most we focus on mentorship, coaching, align sisterhood, divine assignments over solo ambition. We unlock that. And then this one, which I love, compounding, multiplication, spiritual momentum, generational synergy. So as iron sharpens iron, so one woman sharpens another. Proverbs 27:17. So when the woman heal and build in covenant, heaven responds with favor. So as a result, floodgate of joy. When these 5 pillars are activated, you are not just managing life, you're moving in rhythm. Your calendar becomes a covenant. Your platform becomes a portal. Your peace becomes your proof. And this is what it means to live the JoyCHI360 way, which is activation. So what are you waiting for? This is the time for you to take action now. Have that master key for a floodgate of joy. So I hope that this kingdom system, which is our methodology, help you. And yes, don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and let's talk about JoyCHI.